Hello freelancers, this is me Javed Hajana. I will show you that how you can sell your created images by Photoshop online. First of all, go to Google and search sell images online. There are so many websites where you can sell your created images, but I will suggest you only two websites that are very popular. First one is shutterstock.com and second one is allmy.com. In these two websites, you can sell your created images, logo, and any kind of photos. So let me show you. This is my image that is created by Photoshop, and I have created some types of images here. Just go to this website and create your account. Sign up. These required fields must be filled by you. Please enter your real name here and enter your display name here, like my real name is Muhammad Javed and my display name is Javed Hajana. They said that this display name is already registered because I have already registered my account at this website, so I'm not going to register again. I will just sign in, log in. There are my username and password saved already. I will just click on sign in. And this is my dashboard. Here I can upload my created images by Photoshop. You can create images using Photoshop, CorelDRAW or AI softwares. Upload. And here I can upload all of my images. Just click upload assets and select your all images. Images will be uploaded instantly, and that's it. These all images will be available to Shutterstock customers for purchasing. As anyone purchase your uploaded images, Shutterstock will give you earning. This is my earning portion, but I will not show you my earnings. I'm really sorry. Thank you so much. Also, you can upload your images here. Just go to sign in. Just go to sell link and make money with Almay. They will ask some information about yourself, become a contributor and fill this form. Same procedure is here. You will have to create your account, and after that you will have to upload your images and start selling. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.